day, everyone. I am John Mark Argamon, grade 11, TBLE.
And I'm John Michael O. Herrera, grade 11, TBLE. Well, our topic for today's video is about multimedia ICT in the 21st century, a powerful tool for learning and communication. ICT, which combines various media like text, image, audio, video, and animation with technology, offers numerous benefits in the 21st century. It has revolutionized how we learn, communicate, and interact with the world around us. Learning experiences, deeper understanding by combining different media. Multimedia ICT helps students grasp complex concepts more easily. Visual, audio, and interactive elements make learning more engaging and memorable.
Media ICT, two different learning, presences, either visual, auditor, or kinesthetic is ensured everyone has access to information presented in a way they understand best. Improve communication and collaboration. Multimedia ICT bridges geographical distance, allowing individuals and businesses to communicate seamlessly across the globe. This fosters international collaboration and cultural exchange. Collaboration tools. Multimedia ICT provide tools like project management, software, and share workspaces that streamline flows and facilitate resource sharing, fostering innovation, improve retention and recall. Multimedia elements like visual and sounds create strong association, making information more memorable and improving long-term retention.
Preparing for the future, multimedia ICT is essential for navigating the digital landscape of the 21st century. It equips individuals with digital literacy skills, making them more employable and active members of society. The constant evolution of multimedia ICT with emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality promises even more immersive and engaging experiences